friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Snoopy dressed as the Grinch. And don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So we're going to get started right in the center. We're going to draw a nice big sideways oval for his nose. We're going to move up. On the left-hand side, let's draw in an oval for that left eye. And then we're going to move across, lining that up at the same height, replicating that for the right eye. Now on the top, let's draw in a nice big circle for that highlight. And then we're just going to color in our pupil black. Let's come down for the mouth. On the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a corner bracket. And then we're going to arch this around and through towards the side. Let's draw on the eyebrows above both eyes now, so we're going to curve this over. Now let's close off the top of the hood here. So right in the center, we're going to curve this around and down on the left. We're going to start back in the center, replicating that as we come down and over on the right. Now let's draw in an ear, so we're going to arch this around and up on the left. And then we're going to do the same thing as we replicate that over on the right. Now let's close off the bottom of the hood here. So we're going to curve this line up, around, and down. And then we're going to do the same on the right as we bring that through towards the center. And then we're just going to close off the chin underneath with a curved line from left to right. Now let's move up. So right in the middle, we're going to draw in an arch line from left to right. On the left-hand side, we're going to come out, up, and in. And then on the right, replicating that again, bringing that out, around, and down. Again, on both sides here, we're just going to curve this line in towards the top. Let's close off the top of the hat now. So on the right-hand side, we're going to arch this line around and over towards the middle. And then we're going to bring this down on a diagonal on the left-hand side, scooping that in. Now let's curve this line across. Above that, arching that over. Let's move down, curving this around and in. Again, underneath, arching that across. And then again as we move up. Now let's draw in the Grinch's eyes. So from the center, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out on both sides. We're going to draw in a nice big half circle underneath, bringing that up. Let's draw in another arch line underneath on the bottom for the pupil. And then we're just going to color those in black. Now let's draw in the eyebrows. So starting from the center here, we're going to curve this line up, over, and across on the side. We're going to do the same thing on the left. On the top again, from the inside corner, up, around, and out, bringing that down. Again, let's come over, bringing that over and in. And then from that corner, we're going to curve that back down towards the side. Now let's come down and draw in the arms. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this around and up. And then we're going to continue to curve that line over towards the right. Coming below this line, we're going to arch this line around and back in again towards the top. Now from here on the side, we're going to curve this around and down, and then closing off the hand on the top, just arching that around and in. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line over, and then our left hand, we're just going to arch this line back down. Coming in behind this, we're going to curve this line up on the right and left hand side. And now in the middle, let's draw in a circle. Now let's draw on the feet. So coming across, we're going to curve this line around and up. We're going to do the same thing on the right. Now from here, let's close this off with a curved line on the bottom. And then we're going to do the same thing in the middle. Now for the toes, we're going to curve 2 lines that come down towards the bottom. And that is it. That's how you draw Snoopy dressed as the Grinch. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.